Effective project management requires a careful balance between three factors: time, cost, and quality. It is a discipline that demands precision and strategic thinking. A skilled project manager knows when tasks need time to develop and when resources can be leveraged to expedite progress. Project management isn't just about increasing manpower. It's about strategically planning resources and ensuring each team member contributes effectively to the project's objectives. Efficient planning and decision-making are key to optimizing resources, maintaining quality, meeting deadlines, and avoiding inefficiencies and unnecessary costs. While practical experience is vital, relying only on your current environment can limit growth. Studying project management theory introduces proven methods and alternatives, giving you a broader toolkit to tackle projects successfully. University of Pretoria's program in project management, PPM as we call it, is designed to equip you with the knowledge, tools, and techniques necessary to manage projects effectively. The course is recognized by the Project Management Institute, the PMI, the Engineering Council of South Africa, ECSA, and other leading professional bodies. Essential content areas such as project scheduling, risk management, procurement, and quality control are covered in this course. Whether you choose the classic 20-day program, the weekender option, or online learning, this course provides you with the flexibility to study at your own pace and gain the theoretical foundation and practical experiences needed to advance your career in project management. To learn more about our program in project management and how it can benefit your career, visit our website today.